Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Showing you 10 by 7. Thing got smashed. This thing's in pretty bad shape. I'm gonna close it here and just show you a little bit. Here, I'll be right back. Hold on a second, bro. You can see this panel here got twisted in this way, and this one's bowed out. Come over here, you can kind of see that's bowed out pretty bad. Ripped here, ripped there, ripped there. Trim off, okay. Roller, cockeyed. But when the door gets hit like this, believe it or not, we're gonna put Humpty Dumpty back together again here. I'm gonna take this door down and put it back together. I'm gonna brace it up. I got some extra braces up here, and we're gonna brace it up and get this door rolling and fix it. We're out here in Naperville getting this done today. It's getting really cold out. We're expected to get 25 inches of snow or some crazy junk, which I doubt, but we'll see what happens. But it's freezing cold now. I got this funny white stuff here all over the ground, and could see my breath. Brr. Anyways, this is an old, I think this is a Gadco too, ain't it? Yeah, this is an old shiplap Gadco. They ain't making this one no more. Anyways, we're gonna fix it, repair it. Hit door, innovative door. Thanks for checking this one out. We'll get out to you as soon as we can. 93% of our service calls are all same day. Pretty good number. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for checking this video out. And please subscribe, like, ask a question, comment, concern. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our hit 10 by 7 shiplap garage door video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.